Hi, in this video I'll show you how to enable the rating feature and use it in an extra gamification tool to boost motivation among your learners. Go to the rating section in Statistic. On the page, you'll see a list of courses on the left and the rating table itself on the right. The rating is enabled separately for each course. There are 3 display options available: visible for all learners, visible only for teams, or hidden for all learners. The rating table includes rank, last name and first name, course score, learner's email, and team. The score is calculated as a sum of quiz scores for that course. If learner has taken a quiz multiple times, the result of the last attempt is counted. If the course has no quizzes, one lesson equals 1 point. Data in the table can be filtered by day or team. Just click Add Filter. Clicking 3 dots next to learner ratings lets you export the rating table as an Excel file, export the rating table as an CSV file, go to Course Editing, go to Course Statistics. Learners can view the rating table for each course by going to the Rating tab. Learners also can filter the information by date by clicking Add Filter and selecting the range they need. By enabling ratings, you add an element of healthy competition among your students, while getting a handy tool to analyze results for each course. Hope that helps, and good luck with your academy!